I recently had the opportunity to test the new Broncolor Stellos light, a lithium battery powered light that can be used on location or in the studio. I decided to put the new light through its paces on 3 different shoots. One shoot is going to be in the studio, and then working in challenging location environments. The key things I want to test are weight, power, consistency, durability, and flash duration. Okay, fully out. Come back right up against this pillar as much as you can, but I want you keeping it aiming at this area here. Try power 8. Maybe lean against that railing. That's it. Okay, let's just have a look at that. That's good. Beautiful. That's good. Right, okay, sunlight, flash exposure is good. Power is looking good. Lovely. Right, let's move it down here, guys, into this corner, okay? Good. Okay, aim that flash directly at Karis. Yeah, from there is good. Keep it there. And again. And I'm just going to go wide angle for a little bit more distortion. Go lower. The portability, lightweight and significant power of this mobile light is the perfect solution for lighting on location. Here I'm able to complement natural light with an additional but important supplementary lighting in the selected shadow areas, making my subjects stand out while I maintain a darker level of exposure for the natural sunlight. That's it, good. And maybe slightly more pointing towards that. Oh, that was good, yeah, with the legs. Let me see there. Yeah, good. Right. Lovely. Okay, guys, we're done. Ugh.
So, Karl, how did you like working with the new Stellos?
Oh, it's been amazing. So easy to use, so simple. Just trigger from the camera, easy controls, and it's very powerful and it's got a huge exposure range as well.
Do you want to show me your setup from today?
Yeah, so if we take a look here, I've got the Stellos in Para 88, and it's got the battery on the side, so we're just using it on location here down at the harbour. And it's allowing me to shoot our beautiful model Karis. We've been doing shots in the water, and because we've got all these strong shadows as well as the natural light, I'm able to use this light to illuminate Karis perfectly, even though she would have been in the dark shadows.
Great. I'm happy to see the results.
Yeah, me too. Looking forward to it. For this studio session, I wanted to test the new Broncolor Stellos lithium-powered light in combination with my usual studio lighting to see how it would fare as the key light in the shot.
That's it. Good.
I discovered that it has some surprising attributes, including its ability to charge while shooting, and having significant power for me to use it with strong gels or even in the formidable Para 222 while maintaining fast flash duration.
Amazing. Keep that there. Let me just reposition.
Okay, so My lighting setup at the moment is we're lighting our lovely model Sylvia here, and I'm using 2 gelled lights into some poly boards here, as you can see, that are bouncing back onto my dark grey background to create a nice rich red. I have a P70 with a honeycomb grid with a very light blue gel for edge lighting on Sylvia. I've got a Pico light with a Fresnel with another light blue gel as a hair light, and then my main light is coming from this Broncolor Stellos, and I've put a blue gel inside the Octabox 75 so that I get this really rich blue against the red background. It's time to test the Stellos in the large 222 parabolic reflector at high power and see if it can maintain a fast enough flash duration. Right, so we're aiming to have a bit of fun here with our models, giving them a bit of room to skip around, do some posing on this position. I'm using the Para 222 as my main light. I've actually got the Broncolor Stellos in there and I'm charging it at the same time. I've got a Para 88 as an edge light, so the 222 is my main key light. And then at the back here, I've just got 2 Unilight, Pulso light shining into some poly boards to give a really nice even spread illumination all the way round over onto my white background. And then my models will be here and I'll be photographing from there, and we should just get a nice fresh, punchy, bright, vibrant sort of look to the shots. Let's try another outfit. Did a couple of skipping in that outfit for me, the same as you were before, please. Wind machine, please. Lovely. Right, just give me some static poses on the spot. We're just doing a little bit of lean, a little bit of elbows. That's it, good. Right, yeah, that's good with the elbow out there. Turn your head that way, see if the wind machine does it there. Good. Stay looking there. That's great. Keep that there. Beautiful. Let me just get my focus. Good. Right, so on this, you're just gonna just throw some shapes for me. Might be do like this, whatever you sort of feel okay with, all right? Hold it, push it, just whatever you want to do with it. It's just, it's really, yeah, like that, there's good, because you're resting it on your knees. Like the more angles that we sort of bring into it is good. Beautiful, look at me, look at the light. That's it. This location shoot is going to put the new Broncolor Stellos light to the test. I'm planning several shoots at this location in bright midday sunlight, but exposing the dark shadow areas with just one Stellos light in a Para 88 modifier. My goal is to see how powerful and consistent the light is under these conditions, but also to discover if the new battery can last the distance and if the weight of the Stellos is manageable on tall stands in a breeze. The first thing I need to understand is where I'm going to put you on those rocks. And when I've figured out where we can find a space for each of you, then I'm going to figure out where I'm going to shoot from, and then we're going to figure out how to light it. If we get them lit, then we can graze this light with rocks. lighting on the two of them. Okay, so what's happening right now is we've used the Para 88 on the models, and we're doing this all with one light. So the camera's in a fixed position. It's a wide angle shot, so I'm getting that whole rock in. And now I'm underexposing the scene massively, almost like 4 stops. And then the flash is powering in on them, but I want to bring out some texture of this rock in key places in the shadow areas. Ready? Good, hold it there. Well done, Joe. Right, that's superb. Right, so you saw the technique, which Joe was firing a number of small bursts of flash with the L40 reflector with a medium grid at specific parts of the rock that are in shade. Because remember, the rock isn't going to look like it looks to us. It's pretty much black, except for the pockets of light hitting it, and the sky is a really dark, deep blue because I'm underexposing the shot. And then the models were exposed perfectly with the Para 88, with the Stellos light. And obviously we're working on location, which is fantastic because it means we can use the lithium powered light, which allows us to come outdoors and shoot amazing shots that you otherwise couldn't do with just an electric light. So these guys did a good job. They had to hold their pose for quite a while. It's not that comfortable. And then we got a beautiful lighting on them with the Para 88. Now, we've essentially made a shot that has used like almost 8 lights, 8 different placements of light, but we've combined each shot as a separate shot, but we'll be able to layer those up quite easily in light and blend mode as well, and then have each highlight layer of those rocks plus the models in the one shot. A lot more economical than setting up 8 lights on location. As long as your camera is fixed and locked down, no problem at all. That's quite cool, the two of you there. We probably just need one Para 88 flash in here. The concept is pretty good, but we need more. Maybe I can turn it up from here. Yes, alrighty. For this shot, it was necessary to underexpose the ambient light significantly with my shutter speed and aperture choice in order to reveal the sun. Fortunately, I was able to rely on the significant power of the Stellos in combination with the Para 88, providing me enough light to illuminate both models in one simple but evocative shot. All right, okay guys, look at me. I'm gonna focus and shoot. No smiles, just nice and moody, looking at me. Lovely backlightings, looking gorgeous. We'd already been shooting for over 2 hours, but I decided there was time for just one more set. Fortunately, the large capacity battery of the Stellos provided me with plenty more flashes. In fact, we were able to return to the studio with the battery still half full. Okay, that'll do. Let's get out of here.